to escape. The city was sticky and cool. Maybe I should have called you first, but I was dying to get to you. I was dreaming while I drove along the street road ahead. Yeah. Could taste your sweet kisses, your arms open wide. The stream up for you, watch just burning me up inside. What in this world keeps us from falling apart? No matter where I go, I keep the beating of our one heart. I think about you when the night is cold and dark. Yeah. No one can move me the way that you do. Nothing erases this feeling between me and you. Love to you. Is that alright? I drove all night. Could taste your sweet kisses, your arms open wide. This dream off for you was just burning me up inside. I drove all night to get to you. Is that alright? I drove all night, crept in your room. Is that alright? Is that alright? Is that alright?